Hi everyone, it's Maggie from Pintuck Purl. We are back from Detroit from seeing our lovely new Bernina 990 machine, which we are so excited about. I don't know if you saw our videos, but the excitement cannot be contained. And so we have announced our Club 990, so I wanted to go over a little bit more about that because we've had some questions. So what is Club 990? We have put together our own exclusive content that's going to be educational and community-based. It's going to start in September of 2024 and go for a full year. And this is going to be, like I said, classes on in-depth things, community events, so we'll have get-togethers and show and tells. It's going to be a big deal. Now, how do you join Club 990? You purchase your 990 from us. That's how you get in. This is exclusively for Pintuck Purl customers. You know, we get a lot of people that purchase their machines elsewhere and want the education. And right now, this is really just for exclusive Pintuck Purl customers. This machine is a big investment. And the other thing we hear a lot of is that, you know, where am I going to use this machine? I don't know, there's so many features. So this is also the reason we created this. This is a lot, there's so much to this machine. There are big things that they've introduced and even some tiny things we would love to show you. So we're gonna make sure you get every penny out of that machine and make sure that you are completely at ease with it. Not that it's difficult, it's very intuitive. But we're gonna make sure you get all of the bells and whistles and you know exactly what they do, and we're gonna spend a year with you. This is on top of our normal guide classes. So again, this is kind of an extended version and a deep dive into your brand new 990. So if you've already purchased your machine with us, great, you're already in the club. If you have not purchased your 990 and you are thinking about it, come and talk to us. We are doing an advanced pre-order right now until July 10th. And that's gonna get you into the club and some exclusive gifts for Pintuck Purl customers. And if you have any questions, give us a call or come down to the store, shoot us an email. Thanks guys, bye.